Namaste! Ngayong araw na ito ay gagawa tayo ng Indian-inspired dish or ang tinatawag nilang Indian butter chicken. We're making a popular Indian dish, ang Indian butter chicken. So this dish is not created in India but in London dahil madaming Indian national doon. Dahil ang India ay colony ng Britain or UK dati. So ngayon naman, meron ako ditong chicken breast na cut into strips at ang gamit ko dito ay 500 grams or kalahating kilo po ng chicken breast. And now we will marinate our chicken breast. So I have here curry powder, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. We will season it with salt and pepper. Then we mix it hanggang ma-marinate po ang ating chicken breast. So bakit natin i-marinate ang ating chicken breast? Para mas maging manuot ang lasa ng ating chicken breast. So the best way to marinate this is 10 to 15 minutes para maging malasa po ang ating chicken breast. Habang natin i-marinate ang ating chicken breast, we will now saute our spices. So, meron ako ditong onion. We just saute it. So ako, gusto ko talaga kulay brown ang aking onion kasi yun naman talaga yung flavor. Kung nakikita nyo na yung kulay brown ng onion nyo, we will now add our garlic for aromatic and our ginger. Grated ginger po ito. So kung gusto nyo maging maanghangin yung Indian butter chicken, pwede nyo naman lagyan ng siling pangsigab. Pero for this recipe, hindi ko na po ito lalagyan dahil ayoko nang masyadong maanghang. Now we will put our marinated chicken. We spread it. So we turn our chicken around. So that thing itself is very flavorful. But we will continue to cook in the other side. Our chicken is almost done. We will now add our butter. A lot of butter. So butter is around 4 tablespoons of butter. And our tomato paste. So we mix our butter and tomato paste sa ating chicken. So sobrang sarap itong dish dahil this really make a really delicious sauce. So our chicken is turning red na. Lalagyan na natin ng konting brown sugar. Around 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. And spring onions. So we mix it hanggang tuluyan pong masison ng ating Indian butter chicken. So instead of gata or yogurt ang gagamitin natin, gagamit tayo ng all-purpose cream. So ito yung magiging base ng ating sauce. Around 1 cup po ito. Then we mix our sauce. So malapit na tayong matapos. So sobrang linamnam at medyo rich ang ating sauce dahil sa ating all-purpose cream. And our Indian butter chicken is done. So sobrang dali lang gawin. So we're ready to plate. Sana may try nyo itong recipe na ito dahil alam ko magugustuhan ng mga bata ito, lalo na mga pamilya nyo. So please share this recipe din sa mga kaibigan nyo or sa mga kapamilya nyo. So here is it, our Indian butter chicken. Lutong simple!